Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. It is May 5th, and I am back to teach you some more math, and we are working on subtraction with 3 digits involving regrouping. But first, you know what I like to do? Yes, I like you to exercise, and in math, that involves fluency. So get ready, kinks out of your neck, get ready. You're going to answer some questions. Shout out the answers as I time you for 1 minute. When we get to the next slide, don't start until I say on your mark, get set, add. Yes, you're going to start with addition today. Here is our fluency slide. You're going to start right here, focus your eyes. And again, you are challenging yourself. How many answers were you able to say yesterday? How many more can you say today? So start right here, boys and girls. On your mark, get set, add. Okay, stop. Count up how many problems you were able to answer today. Compare it to yesterday. Is it more? Then that's great. You're doing well with your fluency. Now it's time to stop and think. We are going to do subtraction. So you need to think takeaway. So again, on the next slide, we'll find the first problem. I'll say those magic words, start the timer, and you will start shouting out answers. So here is our subtraction fluency slide. Here is the first problem. Focus your eyes. On your mark, get set, subtract. Okay, stop. How many problems were you able to answer today compared to yesterday? See, every day you're improving. Let's move on to our target skill. So our target skill says, today I can subtract numbers less than 1,000 and then use addition to check the answer. So get your pencil and paper ready. We're going to work on 3 problems together. So you are to rewrite the problem in vertical form, 584, take away 147. And then you are going to solve it. So let's write that down together. So here we are, boys and girls, and just like we've always done, Remember, we start in the ones. That is correct. 4 take away 7. Well, can we do that? No, we can't. There's more on the floor. We go next door and we regroup. That's right. We bring those 10 ones over, make it 14, and the 8 goes down to 7. Now we can subtract. 14 take away 7 equals, yes, that is a doubles. And then 7 take away 4 equals 3, and 5 take away 1, 4. That is correct. Are we done? No, we are not. We need to add to check to see if your answer is correct. So we're going to work our way back up. So we're going to take 437 and we are going to add 147 because our subtraction and addition are related. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Very good. 1 and 3 is 4. Another doubles. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That is correct. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. Do we have the same answer? 584? Yes, we do. Very good. That is correct. You are now going to get your paper ready to move on to question 2. So I need for you to write down on your paper in vertical form 531 take away 224 and go ahead and get started. This problem we are going to have you start first and then I will go over it with you. Okay, let's check your work. 1 take away 4, more on the floor. We go next door and we regroup. So we bring those 10 ones back over and now 1 becomes 11 and the 3 tens goes down to 2. Now we can subtract. We start in the ones place. 11 take away 4 equals 7. That is correct. 2 take away 2, 0. Take away 2 equals, that's right, it's 3. Now what is your second step, boys and girls? That's right, we have to add. So make sure you have it all set up and go back through and add to see if you end up with 431 and then your answer is correct. Start again in the ones. 7 plus 4 equals, yes, 11. 1 in the ones. Regroup to the tens. 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 2, 5. Are you correct, boys and girls? Yes, you are. Great job. Let's go on to problem 3. Go ahead. I need for you to rewrite the problem. 618 take away 229 in vertical form, subtract, and then I want you to add to see if your answer is correct. So tell me, boys and girls, 8 take away 9. Were you able to do that? No? So then 8 became what? 18, and the 1 went down to 0. Can I subtract 0, take away 2? Oh, I have to regroup again. So 0 becomes 10, and the 6 goes down to 5. Now can I subtract? Oh, good. What is 18 take away 9? 9, you say. 10 take away 2 equals? Yes, 8, and 5 take away 2 equals? 3. Very good. What are my numbers I'm adding together now to check my answer? All right, so I have 389 plus 229 doubles. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 8 and 2 are friends of 10, 11. 3, 4 plus 2, 618. Are you guys correct? Yes, you are. Great job. Give yourselves a star. All right, that is wonderful. Let's move on to the next slide. Now, some of my students are not able to go on to Nearpod. So if you are one of my students that are not able to go on to Nearpod, pause the video now, write down the problems in vertical form, solve it. Right next to it, you're going to add to see if your answer is correct. And you're going to do that for all 3 and then send me the answers through Dojo or school email. These are the same problems. It's a memory game. The same 3 problems are on the previous slide, are on the Nearpod slide. So everybody is doing the same work. Now we have Brienne and Alonzo. So if Brienne has 23 fewer pennies than Alonzo, and Alonzo has 45 pennies, how many pennies does Brienne have? So if he's got 45, but she has some less, what are you going to do to solve the problem? That's right, you're going to subtract. This is a 2-part problem. Let me get there we go. The second part says, how many pennies do Alonzo and Brienne have all together? So you have to do part 1 in order to do part 2. So we just read it. Now you need to draw a picture to go with the problem, write an equation, and then write a complete sentence to answer the question. And then you have to do the same thing. I need a picture, an equation, and a complete sentence to answer the second problem. So if you cannot go on to Nearpod, please pause it so you can see the problem right now. Then, yes, always go and practice 15 minutes. And we have math seeds. So go on to math seeds. You can also go back to the CA BOCES site I set last week. And if you log in and go down to Learn 360, you will see all kinds of math games you can play. And for some of you that are ready for multiplication, one of the games across there, you can actually click multiplication and work on your multiplication facts. Here's the website. And yep, we always want to know how you're feeling about your subtraction and checking your answers with addition. And you boys and girls are doing a great job. I can't wait to see your answers. Bye-bye.